get your notebooks because before I start, you're going to copy things. Okay. Today we're going to start to study decimals. So this will be part of the exam. Hope, yeah, it's hard. Okay, one more. Copy this. Okay, that part. Copy that part before we discussed about it. Finish. Okay. So what you just need to remember when we talk about decimal is this thing. So if we have 39.1, okay, that number, this 39 is whole number, and the decimal is only the point 1, okay? Because as the definition of the decimal states, decimals are numbers that are less than 1 but greater than 0. So meaning if you have a number line over here, okay, this is 0 and this is 1. So the decimals are the numbers in between it. Okay? So those without touching 0 and 1. So that is what a decimal number is all about. Okay? Actually, this is not the real topic for today. I just want to introduce what decimal is. Okay? So before you finish copying, right? So let us have this one. Can you please copy this part? Never mind the other one, okay? Only this part. Only the one in the box. Copy it like this. Okay? After this, no more copying. Finish? Who are not finished copying? Yang, I said. Okay. Okay, so before anything else, let us start. Let us read these words, okay? Remember, we have here the decimal point, okay? So this number is 12,345.6789. Now, let us read these words. We have here on the left side of the decimal point, we call this ones. Can you say it? Ones. Tens. Say it. Tens. Hundreds. Sounds letter D. Hundreds. Thousands. 10,000s. Okay, so actually we have here 100,000 and million, but let's just study until 10,000. Okay, now on the right side of the decimal point, we have tenths. Tenths. Any tens, letter N, but this one is tenths with letter T. Okay, tenths. Hundredths. This one is hundreds. This one is hundredths. Okay, remember there is a THS onto the decimal place value, okay? Now, thousands. 10,000s. Okay, so let's study what is that about. Oh, can you see it? Yeah, I think that's better, right? So we have here the decimal place value. So we have here 1. So when we talk about the decimal place value, ones means the number is multiplied by 1. When we talk about tens, the number is multiplied by 10. When we talk about hundreds, the number is multiplied by 100. When we talk about thousands, the number is multiplied by 1,000. And 10,000 is, of course, it is multiplied by 10,000. Okay? Now, how about tenths? If ones is multiplied by 1, how about tenths? So, tenths means the number is being multiplied by 0.1. Hundredths is the number multiplied by 0.01. How about thousands? The number is multiplied by 0.001. And 10,000 is number multiplied by 0.0001. Okay, the 10,000 place. Now, that is why if you try to look at this given number, so we have here 12,345.6789. So this one multiplied by 10,000 is 10,000. This 2, the place value, is on the thousands place, multiplied by the thousands place is 2,000. 3 multiplied by the 100 place value is 300. 4 to 10 is 40. 5 to 1s. Now, 0.6 times 0.1 is 0.6. 7 times 0.01 is 0.07. So as you can see, if we still add this number, you will still get the same value since it is just the longer form when we multiply it to its place value. This is what the decimal place value is all about. It is the positioning of the number in the given, the positioning of the digits in the given number. Okay? So you must remember, okay, on the right side, it starts with tenths, right side of the decimal place value. And on the left side, it starts with ones. So I just want you to remember this decimal place value. So let us try to properly read a decimal number. Okay? So, okay. So we have here the decimal place value, right? If you're going to read this, how do you read this number? How do you read it? Remember, the decimal point is here. How do you read this number? If you are going to read it, uncap, how do you read? Huh? 800 what? 843. How do you read it? Now, I will teach you how to properly read decimal numbers. So, this decimal point is read as, okay, this thing, it is read as n. Okay? So, what is this number? What is this number? 843. Now, this decimal point is read as end. Now, what is this number? What is this number? Oh, si Pet, pasang grade ka. 18. So, we have here 843 and 18. Now, what is the place value of the last digit, which is 8? That is on the hundredths term, right? So if you are going to read it properly, that is 843 and 18 hundredths. Why 18 hundredths? Because the last digit of the given number is on the hundredths place. So you just need to properly read the whole number, 843. The decimal point is read as end, and you are going to read the decimal, and the last digit, the place value of the last digit of the number will also be read. So that is 843 and 18 hundredths. Okay? Can you follow? Let us have one more. Okay. How about this number? How do you read that number? 4. 4. What is decimal point? We read it as and. What is this number? What is this number? Song Roy Samsipet, pasangkrit kap 238. Now, what is the last number 8? And what is the place value? Thousandths. So if we are going to read this is 4 and 238 thousandths. Okay, again, 4 and 238 thousandths. Since the last place value of the last digit is on the thousandths place. Okay? Do you follow? You understand? Okay. I want to call someone. Oh. Mister, can you please stand up? Yes. How do you read that? Can you please read that number? Again? Very good. So that is 29 and 13 thousandths. Okay, this number is 29. Decimal point is n. And this number is only number 13. And the last digit is on the thousandths place. So that is 29 and 13 thousandths. Okay. How about I give you this? I don't have. It's hard to write. How about this number? Can you please read it? Hapanha. That is 5,005 and 2,004 10 thousandths. Okay, so again, just read the given whole number. This is 5,005 and 2,004 10 thousandths, since the last digit is on the 10,000 place value. One more. Um, how about this one? This is 7. How about this number? 673 and 4 thousandths. Very good. Okay? No question? You understand? Next. Now, if we have this number, now this number on the whole number side of the given number, this is 0, right? If that number is 0, we don't read it. No need to read. So you just read the decimal number. What is this number? 1 10 thousandths. So only read the decimal number since that is 0. Okay? If there is a value of the given whole number, you read it. But if it is 0, you don't read it. How about this one? Mister, what is that number? How do you read it? Again, if that is 0, you don't need to read it. My ANCAP, if it is 0. So just read the decimal number. 6 tenths. Okay, very good. That is 6 tenths. Okay? Since if it's 0, we don't read it. How about this one? Mister? That is this is 3 tenths. Okay, thank you. That is 3 tenths. Next. How about this one? Miss, how do you read this number? Again? What is the place value of 2 decimal point. On the right side of the decimal point, the next number is tenths. The next is hundreds, then thousands. So what is this number? This is, who wants to help? What's the answer? Who wants to help? The answer is, okay, mister? Answer is? Okay, very good. 52 hundredths. Remember, okay, again, on the right side of the decimal point is tenths. The next is hundredths. Okay, so you just need to know the positioning of the given number. Next. That is 52 hundredths. Okay. Next. This one. What is that? Okay, very good. That is 31 hundredths. Okay. How about this one? Miss. Miss Queen. Yeah. Yeah. What is this number? How do you read it? Can you please stand up? Answer is? Okay, very good. That is 410 thousandths. No end, sorry. 410 thousandths. I forgot to change it. Gosh. How about this one? This is 381 thousandths. Okay, no more question. Did you understand? Okay. So, proceed with this one. So, let us have this number. 549,863 point, sorry, 549,863 and 217 ten thousandths. So what is the place value of 1? What is the place value of 1? Anyone? What is the place value of 1? Anyone from the class? Yes, miss. Yes, yes. What is the place value of 1? Huh? Okay, very good. That is on the thousandths place. With THS, okay? Not thousand, it's thousandths. How about the place value of 9? Mister? Yeah. What is the place value of 9? The place value is, again, place value is, we have on the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth number on the left. What is the place value? Who wants to help? What's the answer? Mister, what's the answer? Okay, the answer is thousands. Okay. Again, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. How about zero? What's the place value of zero? Huh? Tenths. Oop, wrong spelling. Tenths. With THS, okay? Since it's on the right side of the decimal point. Now, if I ask you, what is the place value of 5? This is thousands. What is this? 10,000s. How about 5? 100,000s. Okay? No more question? You understand? Again, you just need to remember the place value. And that will be on the exam. So what I want you to do is to please answer this. The one in the box, okay? This and this. Okay, so for this one, 40 and 2,000, you are just going to make it like this. Okay, and for the other one, 37 and 300s, you are just going to write it in words. Okay? Only that one and this one. You copy and answer that. This one is write it in number form. And this other box, write it in words. finish ใช่ไหมครับ with answer เหรอ you answer ตอบด้วยครับ Okay, who are still answering? Yang may set, Kap. Who are not finished? Yang? Set. Hey, who are not finished? Yang may set, Kap. 2 minutes. 1 minute ng natikap. Okay. Everyone, please exchange notebooks. Salap sa Moodcap, exchange notebooks. Let's check it. Salap ka. Okay, let's answer this one. So we have here 40 and 2 thousandths. So meaning the whole number form is 40. 40 is 40. 40. Now this one is, sorry, this is thousandths. Thousandths, and the number is 2. Meaning that if this is tenths, hundredths, thousandths, your number 2 is here. And the other number is 0, 0. 40 and 2 thousandths. Next, 12 and 12 hundredths. So this number is 12. Okay, 12. Now, 12 hundredths. So this is number 12. And it's in the hundredths term. Meaning if this is tenths, hundredths, so 2 is here and 1 is here. Since we're dealing with 12 hundredths. So that is 12.12. This is 40.002. Next, 80 and 80 ten thousandths. So this is 80. Petsip. Now this is also 80. 10 thousandths. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10 thousandths, meaning that 0 should be here. 8 is here. And this is 0, 0. That is 80.0080. 80 and 80 ten thousandths. Next. What is this number? How do you read this? 9 and 4 hundredths. Wrong spelling, wrong. Next. How about this one? What is this number? 20 and 40. What is the place value of 0 here? Thousandths. And the last number is... how about this one? Number 6. How do you read it? 100 and 1 hundredths. Okay. So these are the answer. Okay, who got 6 out of 6? Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And no one got 0, right? You understand? Okay, so since you understand, and I hope you really understand, it will be on the exam. Anyway, since it's already time's up, stand up. Pep. Okay. Some